Wait, before you scroll, this product's blowing up right now. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. It's been trending for weeks, and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hold on. This one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it.
Hold on. This one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than